Okay, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the GoToMyAccounts Single Sign On WordPress plugin to begin using Single Sign On, and you don't have to do any coding or anything. So now I'm going to assume that you've already created the token, the Single Sign On token from your GoToMyAccounts portal. You already have that ready to go, that you've copied that. And if you're not sure about how to do that, I would say go to the documentation for Single Sign On, and it will show you exactly step by step how to create that token. So I've already got the plugin installed here, so all I have to do here to get started is click activate, so that it is, it's usable. And in doing that, you have a new item under your settings tab called GoToMyAccounts SSO, which stands for Single Sign On. So this is the settings page. There's a couple of tips at the top here, and then there's a link also to the full documentation in case you want to look into it, how to do everything a little bit deeper. On the GoToMyAccounts portal URL, you do have to put that because it has to know where to redirect, and it also uses that to when it goes out to create secure tokens. So I'm going to put a test address in here that I already configured with a token. Let me copy this token I've got and going to paste that in. I also created a blank page called Customer Dashboard. That's all you really have to do. You have to have some kind of page so that you can add, because you need something to add to your menu, to your menus or whatever in WordPress. So create a blank page. It's just a placeholder that you can then use to put this in your menu. Alright, so I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to go to Customer Dashboard. You can redirect to whatever page you want, but obviously the most common would probably be to get your user logged right into the dashboard. Another one might be payment or something like that, but we'll use this one as the demo. So I'm going to save the changes, and when I do that, I've got this link here. I can do more. I can click here and create, if I've got additional pages I want to link, I can do that. But for now, we'll just go with this test where we have the customer dashboard page links to customerdashboard.html in the web portal. Now, as it says up here in the notes, you have the person who's logged into WordPress has to have a corresponding portal account that has the same email address. That's how it knows, who you are and that you're allowed to be in there. Okay, so I'm already logged in. Here's the actual test website. This is just a WordPress site with nothing in it. I'm just going to refresh it just to make sure everything is set up. There's the link that I just put into a menu. And so if I click on this link, it's just going to go ahead and retrieve a token, and it's going to log me into that test portal, and I should be on the customer dashboard for this ABC company. And there we are. So I'm in. Now, what I always do, what I would recommend is if you have like a WordPress site or a main website, in the settings for your GoToMyAccounts portal, you can tell it where to go when someone clicks on logout. So it would go back to your website instead of just going to a login page on the portal. So on this one, I have it set to go right back. So I'm going to click on logout. By the way, real quickly, I am going to add a setting here soon where you can add your own custom menu items here so that you could direct your user back to your website just by clicking up here, so that the whole thing becomes really seamless, the integration. But for now, let's just do the logout. I will just take us back to the WordPress homepage again. And there I am. So again, if I click on it, we'll just do another auto login. It's going to use SSO and log me in again. So that's how the WordPress plugin works. I hope this video helped you out.